What if I told you that the future of flight is closer than you think? That technology inspired by decades of research and imagination is now taking form as something revolutionary. Welcome to a journey beyond traditional propulsion systems. This isn't just a design on paper. This craft combines advanced materials, self-sustained power, and an innovative propulsion system, all packed into a compact, aerodynamic form. I'm excited to introduce you to a concept I've been working on, a custom two-seater UAP, or unidentified aerial phenomenon, designed from the ground up to explore the boundaries of physics and engineering. To understand what makes this UAP special, let's break down a few of the technologies involved. First, we have a polarized vacuum effect that's created outside the outer resonant cavity. This is where the magic happens. High-frequency electromagnetic waves cause rapid oscillations in the cavity's structure, generating forces we are only beginning to understand. With a charged outer wall, an insulated inner wall, and high-frequency plasma interaction, this UAP harnesses unconventional physical principles to achieve lift and potential directional control. By coupling gyration, vibration, and plasma discharge, we are attempting to achieve a form of controlled flight unlike anything else in the sky today. Powering this UAP is a self-sufficient energy plant designed to sustain the craft's high-frequency demands, essential for generating the vibrations and electromagnetic fields necessary for propulsion. Of course, power is only one part of the equation. To make this UAP maneuverable, I developed a custom flight control system inspired by drone control designs. The system operates on principles similar to those used in quadrotor technology, but adapted for this unique form of propulsion and motion. Using real-time feedback from sensors, a series of PID controllers work to stabilize and adjust the craft's flight path, creating smooth, controlled movement, even under varying conditions. We are still in the experimental phase, but the possibilities for this technology are vast. From efficient and silent transportation to potential applications in atmospheric exploration, this UAP could redefine how we think about flight. If you're as excited about the future of aerospace as I am, join me on this journey by subscribing to the channel. I'll be sharing updates, breakthroughs, and behind-the-scenes insights as we push the limits of what's possible. Until next time, keep looking up and imagining what we can achieve when we dare to challenge the boundaries of physics and engineering.